Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to excel at public speaking. First, thoroughly prepare your content. Research your topic extensively, ensuring you have a deep understanding of the subject matter. Organize your thoughts into a coherent structure, typically with an introduction, 3 to 5 main points, and a strong conclusion. This foundational work is crucial for delivering a confident and impactful presentation. Next, focus on your delivery. Project your voice clearly and confidently, ensuring everyone in the room can hear you comfortably. Vary your vocal pitch and speed to avoid monotony and keep your audience engaged. Use natural hand gestures and body movement to emphasize points and convey enthusiasm. Remember, your nonverbal cues speak volumes, often more than your words. It's natural to feel nervous, but you can manage it. Before you begin, take a few slow, deep breaths to center yourself. During your talk, pause briefly if you feel overwhelmed. When it comes to questions, listen intently to understand the query fully. Then, provide a clear, concise answer, perhaps taking 20 to 30 seconds per response. Finally, continuous improvement is key. After your presentation, reflect on what went well and what could be improved. Ask a trusted colleague for honest feedback, perhaps focusing on 1 or 2 specific areas. Consider recording yourself to objectively review your performance. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to practicing new techniques, ensuring your public speaking skills consistently grow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.